To begin inventory, you log in to Destiny and circulation pops up. You come over to Admin, you look at the bottom and click Inventory. We already have one inventory in progress and we will finalize it. To finalize, you click Finalize. To start a new inventory, click Start New. Fill in the name of the inventory that you want it to be named. You can switch to nonfiction and put the call number 0002999. Or you can do your everybody and put the letter A through Z, and then you will click OK and start the inventory. Are you sure you want to start this new inventory? Yes. And it pulls up over here in the Start Down menu. You click on that, put your cursor here, and start scanning. When you have all books scanned, you click Finalize.